The demand for sustainable seafood is on the rise as more people become aware of the dangers posed by overfishing and environmentally destructive fishing methods. By making use of the alternative, namely farmed sources, future seafood production can be maintained and even increased without jeopardizing international ecosystems. Aquaculture, also known as aqua farming. It is the farming of aquatic organisms. Aquaculture involves cultivating freshwater and saltwater populations under controlled conditions and can be contrasted with commercial fishing, which is the harvesting of wild fish. This has not only given rise to an increased supply of aqua creatures, but also a new industry giving employment to many. Particular kinds of aquaculture include fish farming, shrimp farming, crab farming, oyster farming, alga culture such as seaweed farming, and the cultivation of ornamental fish. And now, RBI Holding presents Carnesia Aqua Breed. Crabs are delicious delicacy relished by everybody. About 1.4 million tons being consumed annually. At RBI Holding, we do not offer you just any crab. We offer you the famous Sri Lankan mud crab. Today, more and more farmers are going into mud crab farming. Studies have shown that mud crab farming is a lucrative business. Among the mud crabs, the king crab from Sri Lanka is most popular for its fast growth and flavor and is called an export winner for its high demand in the international market. Breeding of mud crabs are done in tanks for broodstock maturation, rearing, spawning, nursing, and for holding water. The number of tanks should depend on the number of larvae and crablets that you have produced. Once the female crab is impregnated, it produces about 3 to 4 million eggs. Out of this 3 to 4 million eggs, only 3 to 4% survives to become zoyas. These zoyas are nurtured in tanks and fed with algae before they turn into crab instars, which are about 1 to 2 centimeters long. These crab instars are kept and maintained in controlled conditions for approximately 2 weeks before turning into juveniles, which are about 5 to 6 centimeters long. They are then relocated to the on-growing ponds for advanced rearing for about 4 to 6 months before they mature into an adult crab. These adult crabs are sold in international markets all around the world. In Asia, Japan is leading the charge for being the country that consumes the most amount of seafood. In the West, the United States of America consumes the most amount of seafood, followed by numerous other countries. RBI Holding has an extensive partnership with SIFTAC in the Philippines. SIFTAC stands for Southeast Asian Fisheries Development Center. It's an autonomous intergovernmental body established in 1967. The mandate of SIFTAC is to develop and manage the fisheries potential of the region by rational utilization of the resources for providing food security and safety to the people and alleviating poverty through transfer of new technologies, research and information dissemination activities. SIFTAC comprises 11 member countries which are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Japan, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Over here, breeding of mud crabs are done in tanks for broodstock maturation, rearing, spawning, and nursing of various species of aquatic organisms. SIFTAC also trains professionals and does extensive research into aquaculture farming. Dr. Amelia, who heads the organization, has vast experience and undertakes various projects all over the world. RBI Holding is proud to have Dr. Amelia on our advisory board and thus partakes of the wealth of experience and the technical know-how that she possesses.